Hello everyone. If you can't pay $20 per month to wipe code, don't worry. Today I will bring a setup where you can wipe code for free. So you don't need card, you don't need subscription. So let's get started. So first of all, move to open VS Code editor. After opening that, come here to the extension. As you can see, after coming to the extension, search for Cline. So open the Cline extension, click on this Cline. I have already installed, just install it. Last night, Cline has posted on Twitter and X.com that step 3.7 Flash is free in Cline for the next month. So it beats Gemini in DeepSeek Flash models. So as it says, it is best than DeepSeek and Gemini 3.5 flash model. So let's check this benchmark. Let's click on this image. As you can see, this is Gemini 3.5 flash, which is 55.1. And yeah, this is the mark. Okay, SWE Bench Pro. And DeepSeek version 4 flash 55.6 and step 3.7 flash is 56.3. So it is ahead from these two models, which are top models. And it is competing with the GPT-5 5.5 and Cloud Opus 4.7. So this is all about the step 3.7, which released just a few days ago, and it is free and Cline to use it for the next month. So let's go back. Yeah, just come here to the VS Code editor. So after installing Cline and your VS Code editor, let's close this and you will see the icon of Cline like here. Just click this. So after opening Cline, it will looks like this. Let's increase the size. So let's now move to the setting. As you can see the gear icon at the top right, select this. After selecting that, so here we need API provider. So for the API provider, as we are using Cline, so we will select here Cline. If you are using any other provider, so just select that, but we will use Cline, which provide us free models. Now let's sign up with Cline. Okay, press this to create account with Cline. So let's configure. I will copy this and open inside my browser. So after authorizing creating your account, so let's open it. So now we have created our account with Cline. So after creating your account, now we have two free models. If we move to the recommended, these are recommended models by Cline. But if we come to the free models, we have DeepSeek and Step 1. So we will use in this video Step 1, which is free for 1 month. So let's select this and we will press done. So after selecting that, as you can see here, we have selected step 1 3.7 flash. Now let's start chatting with this. Like our first chat will be hello. So later we will create a 3D app also using this. So as it is thinking, so let's wait. So hello, how can I assist you to do? So now let's create a project using this client. So to create a project, for that simply let's open a folder. So after opening a folder, now we will create our 3D map. So for that I will paste a prompt for an artistic weather dashboard that feels like a pilot's glass checkpoint cockpit. Create a 3D real earth rendered via WebGL. So we will just paste this and let's submit it. So it will create this for us. Let's wait. So it will complete this project for us. So it is all about the Cline extension that we have installed using VS Code. You can install the CLI also npm globally Cline. Simply like Cline, use Cline to use the Cline extension also. This is their website, so you can go through this. And as I showed you that the step 1 3.7 flash is free and Cline for the next month for 1 month. So just enjoy free vibe coding using Cline extension or CLI tool of Cline. So it was all about today video that I showed you how to use Cline and how to get free access to 3.7 flash through Cline. So just enjoy free vibe coding. It was all about today. Thanks for watching.